I am Sandeep Singh, University teacher, and today I am going to explain about the exercise of chapter 5, the Northern Plains. Okay, in this exercise, first we look at the exploring new word. River basin, an area drained by a river and its tributary called a river basin. When a river when a river flow into an area, the catchment of this river is called river basin. Next, dam, a barrier constructed by human to control the flow of water. When we built a barrier on the river to control, to check the water behind the dam is called dam. Okay, tributary and a smaller river or stream that join another river. When a river meet into another river, that is called tributary. Confluence, a small meeting point, usually two more rivers. When two rivers are meet at a place, that is called confluence. Textile, it means that woven clothes. When the clothes are woven in a large quantity, that is called textile industry. Terracotta literally means baked earth. Clay is molded into different shape and then fired in an oven. When the baked clay to use to make the some like models or modules, that is called terracotta art. Okay, now next question, fill in the blanks. The Satluj River flow through the Indian state of, the answer is, the in the first space, the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Okay, and in second space, the Punjab. Okay, the Satluj River is enter in India in Himachal Pradesh and then enter in Punjab. The Ganga enter the plain at where the Ganga enter a plain, that place is Haridwar. Next question, Bihu is one of the festival the state of Assam. Bihu is the festival of Assam. It is a harvest festival. And next, choose the correct answer. The Ganga passes through the Ganga passes through Agra. Okay. Next question. Fulkari is an embroidery style of Fulkari is a handicraft work which is famous in Punjab. Okay. Next question. The chief source stream of Ganga. The chief source of Ganga that is originated from Gangotri glacier is called Bhagirathi. Okay. Next question. This place is famous for terracotta art, that is Bishnupur. Okay. Next question. The Mithila region of Bihar produce of the painting style of Madhubani. Okay. Sorry. Once again. Madhubani. Okay. So this is the answer. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. What is the branch of Ganga that flows through West Bengal called? When Ganga entered in West Bengal, it is split into two main branches, the Hooghly in West Bengal and Padma that flow through the Bangladesh. Listen carefully once again this answer. What is the branch of Ganga that flows through the West Bengal? When Ganga enters West Bengal, it is split into two main branches, the Hooghly in West Bengal and the Padma that flow through Bangladesh. Okay, so in Bangladesh, Ganga is known as Padma. Okay, next question. Where does Brahmaputra enter in India? Brahmaputra enter in India in Arunachal Pradesh. You have also know that the Brahmaputra river originated in China. Its name is Sangpo river, and when in enter in India, its name is Brahmaputra river. Okay. Next question. Which tributary of Ganga flows through Lucknow? Gomti river tributary of Ganga flows through Lucknow. The Gomti river flows through Lucknow. Okay. Next question. Name the languages spoken in northern plains. Which languages are spoken in the northern plains? As you know that the vast extents of the northern plains from Punjab to Assam, so there are various languages spoken in this region because the there are the northern plain extends in different states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. So the language spoken in this region is Punjabi in Punjab, Hindi in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, Assamese in Assam and Bengali in Bengal, language spoken in northern plains. Next question. Name the 5 festivals celebrated in this region. So there are many festivals are celebrated in this region, but you have to write only 5 festivals name. So the answer is Dasahara, Diwali, Holi, Eid and Christmas are the widely celebrated in northern plains. Now here give you the question. You have to write in a paragraph of this answer. So the first question is describe the course of river Ganga. It means the areas which Ganga flow. Okay. So the answer is the Ganga basin formed by the river Ganga and its tributary comprises the major part of northern plains in India. It stretches from Uttar Pradesh in West Bengal. As you know that Ganga is originated from Gangotri glacier. Okay, Gangotri glacier, and it is originated in Uttarakhand. And when it's it is in two part. First part is Alaknanda and second part is Bhagirathi. Okay. In Deoprayag, when they meet to each other, they form the river Ganga, and Ganga covers the major part of the northern plains, and the Ganga river enter in Haridwar at plain area and flow to eastward, and when in Bengal enter in Bengal, it is split into two parts. One part is known as Hooghly and one other part which enter in Bangladesh, that is known as Padma river. Okay, and then fall into they form the Sundarban delta with Brahmaputra river. Okay. Next question. The next question, write the note on the major occupation of the people of northern plains. Agriculture, industry are the two important occupations of the people living here. Farmers grow rice, wheat, pulses, sugar cane, fruits and vegetables. Okay, Punjab is the largest producer of wheat in India. Rice is mainly grown in the hot wheat region are the sugar automobile parts, textile and heavy machinery, animals husbandry and dairy farming are the also important activities. In this city, people take up the job as well as. Okay. Next question. Describe the food habits of the people of the northern plains. People in northern plains eat a wide variety of food. Wheat is the main cereal eaten in the northern and western part of India, and in Bengal and Assam rice is fish widely consumed. Okay. The next question is, what are the traditionally clothes worn by the people living in this region? The women of Punjab and Haryana traditionally wear salwar kurta and ghagra choli with dupatta. Sari is more popular in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. The traditional wear men kurta and pajama are clothes. Dhoti is tied different ways in different states. Student, here's only one questions are given, but I have explained the more question which are given other page. So you have to write the all the question which are sent in PDF. Okay, so you have to write the question answer in CW copy and fair copy, and you have to bring when the school open to the school for the checking. Thank you. Goodbye.